Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife now! Drop the knife!
It is March 10th, 2026 in Sacramento. A quiet elementary school is the last place you would expect a man to be running around with a butcher knife. This is the 911 call that started it all. Listen closely, because the details in this report matter more than you think.
911, what is the location of the emergency?
Elementary.
I'm sorry, what is it?
Elementary.
Okay. Elementary, do you need police,
Look,
medical, or fire?
police. Somebody's walking around with a knife.
On the campus?
Yeah.
Is there any students there?
No.
Okay. He's just kind of walking around with it?
Yeah, he's chasing people who get close to him.
Okay. Does he look unhoused, or?
He looks like he's housed.
Is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Black.
About how old does he look?
Maybe any 25 years old looking?
About how tall?
20. Huh?
About how tall?
5'9".
Thin, medium, heavy?
Medium.
And what is he wearing? What color shirt or jacket?
He's wearing a blue shirt.
You see his bottoms?
He has shorts on.
What color?
Black.
Black shorts, okay. What about his hair? How's he wearing his hair?
He has short hair.
Short hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else that would make him stand out? Baseball cap? Anything else?
Nothing else.
No, okay. And how big is the knife?
It's pretty big. You can notice it from
Like a butcher knife?
Yeah, like a butcher. No, like a knife, like a kitchen knife.
Like a kitchen knife? Okay.
Actually, a butcher knife.
It is a butcher knife, like a knife you would cut, like meat with?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay. All right. And what is your name?
In a crisis, most people lose their minds. But this caller is chillingly calm. He is describing the suspect like he is reading from a script.
Okay. And are you a resident nearby, or what?
Yeah, I live right down the street from the elementary school.
Okay. Did you just happen to be walking by?
Yeah, and I saw him chase somebody.
Did you see who he was chasing?
No. Actually, it was like a Mexican-built person.
Like chasing a Mexican man?
Yes.
About how old did he look?
Maybe 20.
Maybe 20. Did it seem that they knew each other and he was chasing him, like trying to catch him, or?
I don't know. I just saw him run by.
Long sleeve light blue shirt and dark blue shorts. Black Adidas shoes with the 3 white stripes. Has a large butcher knife.
Is there anyone around him?
Not that we see right now, no.
Copy the code response. And air from Sam 1. Once we get units close, will you give him some commands, see if he's cooperative, he'll prone himself out.
We've been telling him to drop the knife. I don't know if he's just ignoring us. We've got a unit in the park.
The bird has the eyes, but the guys on the ground are walking into a trap. With zero cover in that yard, they are basically sitting ducks. Most people do not realize a knife can close that gap in the blink of an eye. This is a nightmare scenario.
There's yours.
Gunpoint. He's not cooperative.
Copy. One at gunpoint.
Alright, Star, he just started turning around and walking back away from the unit now. Still knife in hand. Now he's coming back towards the unit. Probably about 50 feet of distance between him and the unit for now. He's walking towards and commands to drop the knife over PA. Alright, he's refusing to back away from the officer.
11, copy on Rocco 3.
Sir, put down the knife! Sir, put down the knife! Sir, please, put down the knife! Stop!
Charles 16, he's walking towards me with the knife. I have him at gunpoint. He's not cooperative.
Sir, please put down the knife!
The cops are just trying to get through to this guy before things get ugly. At this point, it is a toss-up if he is even listening anymore.
What do you need from me? Can I help you? Put down the knife, please. I don't want to hurt you. Just put it down. Sir, put it down. Don't do it. Don't do it, sir. Please. You got to put it down. You got to put it down. Listen, don't do it. No, it's not. I will shoot you. Put down the knife now. Sir, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the knife now! Drop the knife! Hey, give me a less lethal! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it, please! Drop it! No! 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 Hey, give me a taser and a less lethal now! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! 16 shots fired, shots fired, 1 down, code 3 fire. Sir, where's the knife?
Drop the knife.
Where is it? Where is it? Hold it, no, stay with me, stay with me. Where's the knife? Hey, stay down, stay down. Stay down. You got it? All right, moving, moving. Ready? Ready. Go. Hey, grab a med kit now.
Sam 1, use the chain, starting up. Fire is cleared in, let's go for it.
Hey, gloves.
Take a good look at this second angle. It really puts the 21-foot rule into perspective. People love to play Monday morning quarterback and ask why the officers did not just keep talking. But in the real world, a suspect with a knife can close that distance in less than 2 seconds. That is faster than most people can draw and fire. This is where the legal standard of objective reasonableness comes into play. The courts do not judge these officers with 20/20 hindsight. They look at what a reasonable officer would do in that exact moment of chaos. When someone lunges at you with a butcher knife, you have 0 room for error. You do not get a second chance if you hesitate for even a split second. Here is the final word on this case. The suspect was medically cleared from the hospital on March 13th and booked into the Sacramento County Jail. He is facing multiple counts of assault with a deadly weapon. Investigators confirmed that large butcher knife was recovered at the scene. It is a heavy reality to process because this man was both the predator and the victim in his own mind. It puts law enforcement in an impossible spot where they are forced to use lethal force to stop a tragedy that was already set in motion. So what is your take on this? Did the officers handle this as best as they could? Or is there something else they should have tried? Drop a comment below and let us get a conversation going. If you appreciate these deep dives into the reality of the badge, hit that subscribe button for Blue Line Raw. We really appreciate you guys for watching. Stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next one.